babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this green, gold, and brown half cut crease makeup tutorial. I don't know what inspired me to do this look. Well, first of all, y'all know that I'm a sucker for the glitter half cut crease outline. Like, that is so beautiful to me. I don't know why, it just is. And also because Thanksgiving is obviously tomorrow, I'm filming this on Wednesday. I don't know, I kind of just feel like greens and browns and like golds are just my color scheme when it comes to Thanksgiving. So I was like, I need to make a look that's this cute. And I saw on Pinterest this one girl do a look that had like glitter on the outer corner and then matte on the inner, and I was like, that is cool. I want to do so. That's like you don't normally see that. So I wanted to do something like that, and then I just put my own spin to it, obviously, and I'm really happy with the results. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you guys like it. So if you guys like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, babes, so first I'm taking out my Too Faced Naturalist bronzer, and I'm just going to be obviously doing my bronzer and contour. Now I'm just pulling out my 35B Stunning Vibes palette. And first I'm just going to be going into the color Vixen and putting that on my crease. Now I'm just going into the color In the Zone and putting that on my crease, really defining it and defining the crease line. And next I'm going into the color Knockout and just putting that on my brow bone. Now I'm just taking out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to be putting this on my eyelid. And I'm just going to be doing a full cut crease. Okay guys, now I'm just going into the color Devoted, and I'm just going to be putting that on my inner corner of my eyelid. And then I'm just going to be going into the color Private Party and putting that the rest of the way on my eyelid. Now I'm just pulling out my ColourPop Sandstorm Palette and going into the color Renegade and just putting that on top of the color Private Party. And again, I'm just going to tap it on lightly because we are going to be using sparkles so they could get everywhere. So just make sure to tap it so that you don't get them all over your eye. Now I'm taking back out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and a small, tiny, thin brush. Basically, I'm kind of just going to be doing a half cut crease outline over the top of Devoted, and this is just going to act as a base. Now I'm just taking out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquefied eyeshadow in the color Sweet Spot and just putting this on top of the concealer. And I'm just going back into the color Renegade from my Sandstorm palette, putting the sparkles on top of the Sweet Spot liquefied eyeshadow we just applied. And again, because it sparkles, make sure you be careful. Okay guys, and now I'm moving on to our under eye. I'm just pulling out my NYX Professional's eye pencil in the color Black, and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. Now I'm just going into the color Devoted again and putting that underneath my eye. And I'm just going back into my Too Faced liquefied eyeshadow in the color Sweet Spot and just putting this underneath my eye as well, meeting towards the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm just taking out my NYX Professional ZSC Point Eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be putting regular eyeliner on just because I'm also putting lashes on, so yeah. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'm just going to do the other eye off camera and then we will finish everything else. Okay guys, I finished the other eye and I just popped on some lashes. So now we're moving on to blush and highlighter, and I'm just going to be taking out my Tarte 9 Ways to Shine blush and highlighter palette thingy, and this is in the color Frosty, Sleigh Bells, and Shimmering. So first I'm just going to take out the highlighter. And then I'm taking out the blush, which is called Sleigh Bells. And now I'm pulling out my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And now I'm just taking out my Too Faced Melted Matte Talc Liquefied Lipstick in the color Faking It. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or singing requests or anything like that. Now I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located out right over here. And make sure you DM me if you do any of the looks that I created or whatever. My social media will be linked down below, along with my latest video, which is playing underneath me right now, so you should definitely check that out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos, which is on Fridays actually. So you know the timing, you know, just like click the bell so that you get notified when I upload a video, because you don't know what time on Friday, you know? I don't either actually. I probably should find the time. Anyways, okay, bye bye, beauty babes, love you. Happy Thanksgiving.